วะ
Unexpected information. Miami, Florida, USA. Engulfed in chaos. Devastating winds and flash floods cause mayhem as a terrible storm leaves devastation in its wake. Chaos breaks out, with record-breaking rainfall in Coral Gables and wind gusts reaching 74 miles per hour in Miami Beach. Homes were ruined, cars were stuck, and entire neighborhoods flooded. As we explore the aftermath of this natural tragedy, we'll see how resilient the community is and the difficulties they confront in the wake of Mother Nature's wrath. Storm in Miami. The city of Miami, Florida, was hit by one of the worst natural disasters in recorded history from November 15th to November 17th, 2023. The region was engulfed in a massive body of water when an incredibly strong storm passed through. Notably in Miami Beach and Coral Gables, two significant communities. Coral Gables saw record rainfall of 10 inches in 2 days, while gusty winds in Miami Beach reached as high as 74 miles per hour. Many automobiles became immobile as a result of the heavy rain that engulfed the roadways in heavily populated locations. Moreover, the floodwaters that flooded the streets also took trash with them. Residents' recordings captured the aftermath of this natural tragedy. In these areas affected by the severe winds and torrential rain, trees uprooted property ruined in the landscape without mercy. Florida storm. To deal with the crisis, the local authorities had to keep issuing advisories and warnings, telling people to relocate to higher ground to escape the floodwaters. The severity of this severe weather was evident in everything from flood advisories for Miami-Dade and Broward streets to wind and storm alerts for the eastern coastal region. And mobile home community was completely engulfed in water due to an overflowing lake. Massive pools of water caused by the floods also disrupted traffic and seriously damaged community life and infrastructure. These initiatives not only revealed the community's resolve to respond to natural disasters, but also its spirit of cooperation and resilience in the face of adversity. Significant turmoil was also brought about by the storm in the aviation sector, with several flights at major airports being canceled or delayed. Thousands of homes were left without electricity due to power outages, which highlights the severity and effects of the extreme weather. USA storm. It was recommended that residents drive very carefully and avoid driving through high-water areas and flooded roads. Even though the storm's aftermath and effects progressively became more stable, everyone still has strong memories of one of the most memorable natural disasters. Storm Ken made landfall in France on November 1st. After making landfall in the Atlantic Ocean, off the northwest coast of Britain. In the previous 20 years, this storm's STM was the strongest. Witnesses to one of the worst natural disasters they have ever experienced describe seeing waves up to 10 meters high crashing onto the shores of the Mensch region in the northwest, with terrible wind gusts reaching 200 km/h. Kieran not only brought down many old trees, but also reduced many dwellings to rubble. 54 locations, predominantly in the northwest provinces, were flooded as a result of the storm's additional 60 millimeters of rainfall. This occurred when the earth in France was already wet from the previous 2 weeks of non-stop rain. USA floods. As the storm made landfall, hail and flash floods also severely damaged cities. One truck driver was reported deceased in northeast Paris as a result of a falling tree, while 1.2 million French households are without power. As soon as the weather permits, the electricity firm Andes said it will send out 3,000 workers to restore power. Several train services in the 5 eastern regions were also canceled by the National Railway Management Agency, beginning that evening on November 1st. High-speed trains from Paris removed the need for intermediate stops on the route to Rennes and other locations. Many aircraft were canceled to ensure safety, since the wind was too strong for them to take off. Authorities in the region advised residents to work from home, and train companies cautioned customers not to use the lines into the city before November 2nd at 9 a.m. For Greece, Turkey, Bulgaria, and the surrounding countries, September 5th was a gloomy day, as countless cars were washed into the sea and at least 7 persons lost their lives as a result of the torrential rainfall. The most populous city in Turkey, Istanbul, had severe street and home flooding as a result of the heavy rain. Keep up with the healing process and inspirational tales. Get updated on Miami's road to recovery and reconstruction by subscribing. For the most recent updates, subscribe now.